Handy Hudsonite here. We're going to look at background removal in iPhone photos, but not just the background removal, but a way to remove the background on multiple pictures at the same time. I don't know if you were aware of this. This is one of those hidden features in iOS that's amazing. So if we go into Photos, as you know, you can select one of these pictures. We'll select this one, and if you tap and hold, you can isolate the background, and you can take this and send it in messages. It's very convenient. As long as you hold down the image and swipe into another app, you can share it very easily, and I've even featured that in another video. But one thing you may not have realized is that you can do this with multiple messages at the same time. Let's just select some messages that have something that we can isolate from the background. Do those, and then here we can do a couple of photos with my cute dog. So you want to select the photos, and then you want to tap the share button. What we're going to do is come down here, and we're going to save to files. And what you can do is just choose where you want to save this. We can get back to the main file page, and you can choose your iCloud drive, your iPhone, OneDrive, Google Drive. We'll just select our iCloud drive, and you can tap these three dots at the top to create a folder. I'll just call it photos. You could call it background removal photos, or whatever you want to call it. We'll go in here and then just tap save. You'll see the images here that we took. There's my cute dog, Riggy, and they still have their background. Obviously, we selected them out of the main Photos app. I don't know if you were aware of, when you get into the file folder, if you use two fingers, you can actually swipe and select photos or any files very quickly, or unselect very quickly. Just a little tip there. So to isolate the background in all of these, what we would need to do is we do want to select all of these images, so we can use that quick gesture with the two fingers to select them all. Tap these three dots down here, and then all you have to do is tap remove background, and in a few seconds you'll notice an extra picture put in that has the background removed on all of these images. So it's a great easy way to remove the background on multiple images if you need to do that very quickly. And then of course you can share these out and share them any way that you would want to. So let me know in the comments below what you think about this hidden feature in iPhone. Any other tips or tricks that you have, share them with the community. Be sure to give this video a like. We do have the super thanks button down below if you'd like to give to help this channel grow, and also subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one, and I'll see you in the next one.